So another project is I'm trying to adapt these. They're from a Boxster 2000, 2001, something like that. Front rear calipers onto that. Not this, that. So, big problem that everybody faces is what rotors you use, how do you get them on. There's no off-the-shelf kit. So the question is, why am I doing this versus Willwoods? This is a cheaper alternative if you can actually build stuff yourself. So, got the calipers for I think it was $60 or $70 each. So I'd put you at $280, under $300 for a set of 4-piston calipers that are designed for a mid-engine car, which is pretty cool. So the next question is, how do you get them on? Well, I have a 3D printer, and 3D printer has allowed me to make custom brackets like this. This is one of my first prototypes with plastic. I've made a few steel versions, but they're always so hard to work with compared to plastic. So after this first one, I came up with this one. This is my final one. Adjusted some of the dimensions. Actually used a lot less material, which is pretty cool. So I'm actually getting the shape watershed right now, and then I'm gonna mill this pocket out here, and then drill and tap the holes on the top. But that actually allows it to go to this caliper. Last thing is what rotors. We believe that older is the first generation of the RAV4 actually has a very similar diameter rotor, and obviously it bolts on to any Toyota, any 5-lug Toyota. Yeah, 5x1 14.3. And it happens to be the same thickness of the original Boxster disc for the rear rotors. Cool. So that's what I'm going to use right now, and actually, since these work equips that I have don't allow a big break in the rear, I've done some math, and if I can actually put the Boxster rears up front and then space out the original twin turbo calipers, which I have a set over here. They need to be rebuilt, but yeah. If I space those out using RX-8 sport rotors, like how the Wolfcats is, and I'm sure there's some other companies that do them, that actually gives me a very similar ratio that the turbo car has. And just to make it foolproof with the proportioning, I actually have an adjustable Willwood proportioning valve, which is great, because if not, then it might be slightly off, and I'll lock the rears or lock the fronts before they both are doing equal amount of work. So that's where I'm at now. Getting the parts water jetted, I'll machine them out, finish the machining, which is probably a couple hours worth of work, and I can test fit it again. And if that goes well, I guess I'll be mounting some Porsche Boxster calipers to the MR2. And then later on down the road, whenever maybe I'll space out the rears and put bigger tires on it or something, then I'll put the rears in the rears and I'll make the fronts work, and that'll be a whole nother journey. So anyways, over and out.